Check on the markets on this Monday morning. Here's Craig James from CommSec. How are we looking, Craig?
Should be a fairly positive start for our market, up around about 29 points or 0.4% according to the futures market. It follows a generally positive lead-in from the United States and European markets. The Dow Jones was higher by just 2.5 points, which is less than 0.1%, but it was the 10th straight day of gains, and that's the longest winning streak since August 2017. The Nasdaq was lower though. It was down by 30 points or 0.2%. What will be helping our market today is the energy sector. We've had gains in both the Brent and the NYMEX price up around about 1.8%. Iron ore was only up a smidgen, so up 4 cents a tonne. But the gold price down by $4.30 an ounce, 0.2%, so it should weigh on the gold sector today. The Aussie dollar's lost half a cent over the weekend, 67.25 US cents. Now, we've got a fair bit happening over this week. We've got the inflation figures coming out Wednesday here in Australia, and then we've got retail trade on Friday. We've got the US Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, likely to be lifting interest rates on Thursday morning, our time. Today, the CommSec has put out the State of the States report, and it shows that Tasmania is still the #1 economy in terms of economic performance, just ahead of New South Wales, which is chafing at its bit or biting on its heels. South Australia in third, Queensland fourth, Western Australia in fifth, and then comes Victoria, ACT and the Northern Territory. We'll also have today a gauge of activity in the factory area and also the service sector of the economy from Judo Bank. So a busy day ahead in terms of economic data with that Purchasing Manager survey.
Thanks, Craig.